Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian with Giant Finishing. Today, just presenting our GV series. This is a GB-3 here. During manufacturing, you have rising labor costs. You have inconsistent finish, and the quality of your labor is going down. This will solve all those problems, and it will not think about it again once you install it. Heavy-duty build. It is built like a tank. It is built to run. Every Giant Finishing machine comes standard with an AC variable speed drive. You can adjust the speed up or down based on just the simple holding of an up arrow or a down arrow. The advantages of a hole over a tub is the reduction of the part-on-part content. It is a safer environment to put parts in. And the advantage of the all-width internal separation, which all our GB models come with, is that you do not have to pay an operator to stand there and fish parts out. The dam will raise, then the media will come over the separation screen, and the parts will come back out to you while the media drops back into the hole.
Throughout the entire finishing process, the chemical compound flows through the media. This is the optional 55-gallon settling tank. As the compound flows through a series of dividers, the solids from the media and parts settle into the clean-out tray. Cleaning is effortless. Just lift the tray to remove the solids, keeping maintenance quick and easy. Inside the tub, an adjustable valve controls how much compound flows into the media. Just turn the handle to fine-tune the amount. What feeds the valve is up to you. Here's our auto compound system, an available upgrade. Instead of recirculating the compound, this delivers fresh compound at the desired concentration depending on your application's needs. Giant Finishing will help you dial in the right settings for your operation. Now, let's take a look at the gate lever. This lever controls how the machine handles your media and parts. With the gate down, the media tumbles continuously through the bowl, finishing, polishing, or deburring your parts. Raise the gate, and the media carries up and over to the internal separation. From there, the media falls back through and recirculates into the bowl, while the finished parts flow out the discharge area. The parts are separated from the media and unloaded automatically without the additional labor cost of someone pulling each part by hand. Here, you can see the gate is being raised and lowered manually. Now, you've already seen one way this machine saves money on labor in the parts discharge section. Here's another money saver. Instead of working the gate by hand, we also offer an upgrade where the gate is controlled pneumatically. An air piston raises and lowers it automatically and cuts your labor cost even more. No matter what deburring machine you buy, here's something most people never think to check. The liner. It's the surface your media and parts are in constant contact with during the entire process. Two machines can look identical on the outside and have completely different liners inside. Before you spend your money, ask this. How thick is the liner, and what is it made of? Giant's liner is a 3/4-inch thick casted polyurethane liner. Measure that against anyone else's and make sure what you're paying for is comparable. A thinner liner wears out faster, and replacing it isn't just the cost of the liner. It's a machine sitting out of commission when it should be making you money. Here's another great feature most manufacturers don't offer. A machine this powerful, you'd expect it to need special shop wiring, like 3-phase power. It doesn't. It plugs right into a standard 110 outlet because the built-in inverter handles that for you automatically. It also has a variable speed controller. It's simple to operate with the up and down arrows, and as you can see, the speed adjusts up or down depending on what the operator needs for the job. So whether you're deburring, polishing, or finishing your parts, this machine is built to save you labor and built to last. The internal separator sends your finished parts down the chute on its own. The liner is built thick to go the distance, and it plugs right into a standard outlet with variable speed to match whatever you're running. With the air piston upgrade, it can run almost fully automated from start to finish, all proudly made in the USA. The best way to see what it can do is to let us prove it. Give us a call or fill out the contact form on our website, and we'll test your parts for free. We'll show you the results and help you find the right machine and the right media for your shop. That's the Giant Finishing difference.